Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Desi Laddu. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for a smooth process. You'll need 1 cup of gram flour, also known as besan, which forms the base of our delicious Laddus. Also, have 1/2 cup of rich ghee and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar on hand. Don't forget a small pinch of aromatic cardamom powder to enhance the taste. Now let's get to roasting the besan. In a heavy-bottomed pan, melt 2 tablespoons of ghee over a low flame. Once melted, add your gram flour. The key here is patience. Roast it slowly for about 15 minutes, stirring constantly. You'll know it's ready when it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and releases a wonderful, nutty aroma. This step is crucial for flavor. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this easy laddu recipe, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more delicious content. And on another note, after all that delicious laddu making, why not unwind with a great book? The new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading anywhere. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. After roasting, remove the besan from the heat and let it cool for about 5 minutes. This prevents the sugar from melting too quickly. Now, add the remaining ghee, the powdered sugar, and your cardamom powder. Mix everything together very well until it forms a cohesive, crumbly mixture. Finally, take small portions and gently roll them into perfect, round lattice.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.